donkeys are, after human labour, donkeys is the cheapest agricultural power that you have in many countries. It is an animal that has incredible stamina. It's a desert adaptive species, and so therefore it is very adapted to working in difficult and hot and challenging environments. It's incredibly agile. It's able to work in very confined spaces because of its size, able to climb up mountains and difficult terrains. It is quite a small animal, and therefore it is easy to load. From the point of view of loading, it's often easier to manage and handle because of its size. As a small species, it is also very cost efficient to work with, because the equivalent size of a pony or a horse, it is much more efficient in the way it uses its food. It's much more efficient sort of digestive system, which means that the equivalents are much more cost effective to manage and use. They're an intelligent species. When looked after really well, they bond with other animals. They bond with people. So they are in a business. They can be companions for life. They provide companionship as pets. They can be they're sufficiently. They are notably intelligent. So therefore, they can be trusted to work with other more flighty species and also children. As a hardy and durable species, they're often sort of misunderstood because we hear about the stoical nature of our donkeys, and that is perhaps an adaptation to them living, protecting themselves from predators by masking their sort of pain or fear. So it's a species that people will often work with. It's a species that is often the only available ones around. It's often the species that is affordable for the local people. They're the ones. It is an animal that will often be the only source of income for people in remote areas. It is the only source of income that will support livelihoods. So all in round, it's inevitable. Sometimes it's the only animal available to do so.